guys, I'm Louise, and today we're going to I'm going to and today we're going to do this. I'm going to tell you a secret, guys. I've got to tell you a secret. And look, that's it. Yeah, and if you know this is yellow, right? Look. Look. It is yellow. Look. It's really yellow, right? And then I've got this ink. And there's ink there. And then press it. Look, I'm pressing it. Gotta close it until everybody sees me. Because I'm not sorry. Okay. Uncle, look. This is yellow.
No, don't mess my room, man.
Uncle, look.
No, shut up, Milo. Shut up.
This is yellow.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Just cookie. Okay, guys. But Milo, just quickly shut up. I'm just cleaning my room.
Hello, guys. Told you secret, haven't I? Hello.
Now clean my room.
Akka. Wait, what's up?
Uncle, could I make a YouTube video for this one day?
Hi guys, and I'm the Juice. And this is Luigi. And today I'm going to tell you. No, I'm not going to tell you, but I got this. And it's a costume shoe. But I'm quite girly, really. People say I'm a girly brother sister. And look, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a karate ball. So like I've got to have a piece of gold. Choose any, get a pom pom, get this, and then just tie it around the pom pom like this, like this. Look, it's like now. Look, it has a belt. Yeah. Look. Yeah, and now I need a feather, or I need a stick. Yeah, I've got some stick. And now I get one of the gold bits. I do this. Yeah, got this. Actually, we're not making one. I've got a guy actually doing this. And look what happens is, I'm gonna get another stick and do this. Katana pet, actually he's a ninja we're making. I'm making a ninja with a gold bit. So this is to his two swords. Look, if you could see, yeah. Well, this is one of the hardest things I could ever make. And then get the flower, any colours, like I'm using red, is my favourite colour. And then do this. Actually, we don't need one actually. we'll just have to do this. Because that. Actually, I think we should get another one. Okay, let's get a stripey. Then get this one and this one I choose. The stripey! And now, just go like this, probably. And then go like this. Yeah, look at this. Now this, I call is a classy person. No, not classy. A ninja person. These things do not make sense. So like these two bits, like these two bits sticking out. I don't need them, but I'm going to use this. Ooh, now it's broken. Wow. They said that, somebody said that if you break it doesn't matter, because now we're doing this. It's like now my thing's gone. So that's big to happen, and then and twist it this time. And this happens. You tie around the sticks, so you can go up there and then do it another way. Because I do stuff wrong, probably. This is one of the weirdest things you could ever make, and weird crafting. Like, does this seem ninja to you? Well, it's like now I just have to take that blue part off because it's good. Put it under the gold. Well, you don't have to do it, it's just blue because it's a total mistake. Do not put it under the gold. And then put the blues. Yeah. And then this will happen. And then, oh, looks so bad. Looks so bad. Look. Now people say, what the heck is this? I know, right? What the heck is this? And then you just add a pom-pom here. Look, pom-pom here. And then two white pom-poms, like these are mini ones. Not like, you know. Get two pom-poms. Wait, where's my other one? Where's my other one gone? Please. They're so runny now in these days. Ugh! Let's go with it. Look, got two pom-poms. Because that green's supposed to be there. Now I think maybe take a photo. Yeah. He enjoys it. Actually, instead of a ninja, he actually made an Angry Bird. Look at it! Angry Bird! So, look. This is how it's supposed to be like. Oh, his eyeball got off. Well, we'll forget that. We thought it was bouncy. Look. So bouncy. If you want to like it, you could do go like that. Play football with it. Boop, 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 boop. Or play juggling, actually. Also, so please subscribe to my brother and me. So my brother is in White Chimp. And I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.